The Agni VI will be India's most advanced nuclear-capable ICBM. It will be also India's most lethal weapon. Agni VI will be India's first ballistic missile which can carry MIRV warhead. It is considered Hypersonic Heavy ICBM. According to the sources, the Agni VI missile is likely to carry up to 10 MIRV warheads and will have a strike range of 12,000 kilometers. Though DRDO has refused to confirm the missile's range. If you like our video and want to see this kind of video more often, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. A senior DRDO scientist has quoted as saying that new generation of Agni VI missile will be sleeker, easily transportable and would be rapidly deployed. It will have the capability to be launched from submarine and from the land-based launchers. Agni VI might be able to carry 3 tons warhead, thrice that of Agni V, which can carry only 1.1 ton warheads. Agni VI will be the first missile to have capability to carry 4 or 6 multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicle or MIRV payloads. This will enable missile to launch multiple nuclear warheads, with each warhead striking a different target alternatively. 2 or more can be assigned to one target and can perform evasive maneuvers while hurtling down towards its target. This will confuse enemy air defense system that will try to intercept them mid-air. Right now, India badly needs Agni VI because of its multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicle capability. Agni VI will be a 3 or 4 stage intercontinental ballistic missile, which is in the hardware development phase after its design phase was completed. It will be taller than its predecessor Agni V. The missile was expected to be flight tested by 2017. The government of India is yet to approve the project, although DRDO has completed all the calculations and started the engineering work. DRDO is working on a new Agni VI, which will be a 3-stage solid-fuel ICBM missile which will be heavier and thicker than the Agni V. India quietly also tested K4 missile, which is an intermediate-range nuclear-capable submarine-launched ballistic missile with a range of 3,500 km last year. Will India make a new surprise with Agni VI? Don't forget to comment down below.